It's sunnier than most days.
Hello. What's up? My name's Rachel. This is my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you're new. I do a lot of fashion and thrifting and whatever videos. And I apologize for not uploading a video in a while. I was dying with finals, but I just finished that. I just submitted my last assignment and I am done. Now that I'm done, I have a little bit of a break and I am gonna be going hard with the video making. I'm gonna be making a lot of videos on here, a lot of videos on TikTok as well. So subscribe on here and follow me there also if you're interested in that. Anyways, today I'm going thrifting again. Surprise, surprise. I haven't gone since the last video I filmed, so I'm excited for that. Also, I'm back home and I can actually drive my car to go thrifting and stuff, so that's gonna be exciting. It is 9:30. I had to get up super early to finish my last assignment and I'm pretty much all ready to go. There's Oreo there. Okay, so first thing on the agenda, actually, before we go thrifting, I need to make some kind of a list of stuff that I'm looking for. I like doing this before I go thrifting because then it kind of directs my search a little bit. So let's do that. I'm gonna open up Pinterest, one sec. Okay, this lighting just isn't it. Okay, my room is kind of messy right now. I apologize, my bed is not made. This lighting's so nice, wow. So I'm gonna open up Pinterest real quick just to kind of make some notes of some things that I'm looking for today at the thrift store. I'm gonna go to 2 places today, but I also might go to some places later on in the week. Okay, so right now I'm gonna write down wide leg baggy jeans, low-waisted, because I have baggy jeans like these ones that I love, but I'm trying to find some more lower waisted ones so I can wear like longer t-shirts and stuff like that. Also crochet. Crochet has been everywhere. Finding something colorful in crochet or knit could be really fun. Fun summer dresses, either midi or mini or maxi, whatever, just summer dresses in general because it's starting to get a little bit warmer. And then I think also like some long sleeve button downs that I can like kind of put over like a tank top like this, because I think those are really good for layering in the summer because they're not like super warm. But yeah, okay, so I've got my list of a couple things. I don't like driving at all. We're gonna go. Actually, first I'll do a fit check. One sec. Fit check. Do you have a pair of glasses that actually like protect you from the sun, because these are really bad? Yeah. Is there any in the car? I don't think so. No? Can I have a pair or just like bring a pair? Fit check! Jeans are Aritzia. Random sunglasses. The sweater's my sister's from Urban Outfitters. Grinch vibes. Kind of living for it. And I'm filming. Oh, that's cool. Tank top is Zara. Reeboks.
You look like, I fall over the tree by my ex.
Ooh. Bell hoodied who? I don't look stupid! 90s. She loves the 90s. Smoothie check!
It's sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, and maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know.
Oh my god, I just spent $100 in there. Like, Value Village prices are actually absurd. They used to be so much cheaper. Like $100, I didn't even get that much stuff. I know they have return policies, so I'm hoping it all fits, but if not, I'm gonna return some stuff and hopefully I can exchange it for some other stuff, because they do exchange but not store credit, which is kind of annoying also. But you guys aren't even ready for this haul. I did get some good stuff. I got like a lot of stuff though. I'm debating if I even go to the other thrift store that I was going to, because I did get so much stuff. I feel like I should still go. Oh my god, this smoothie's gonna be all warm now. Yeah, it's not that bad actually. Oh my god, it's freaking hot in here. Now I'm eating my scone. That's gonna be all literally warm, but I don't care. Update, I am in fact going to
Don't
leave.
stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going?
That was unsuccessful, but that's okay. I spent enough money at Valley Village, so. Is this good? Is this too bright? I apologize if this is too bright. Hi. I have my coffee here. Let's have a chat. So originally my plan was go thrifting to these 2 stores, like you saw. Do a thrift with me, you know, film the process, whatnot, and then go to another thrift store, and then I was gonna take you along for that also, and then basically do a combined haul at the end. I think I might just separate it into 2 videos, so yeah, I don't know, that'll just mean another video, another thrift trip, another thrift haul, so that should be coming. But I have some fun things, I have some fun clothes, and I'm excited to show you. Okay, first thing, this little piece, dun, da, da, da. This is a little Ralph Lauren sundress. Like, how cute is this? I've never really been much for wearing yellow, but I feel like this isn't just yellow. This is like yellow rainbow stripes, and I feel like it kind of matches my necklaces almost. This would actually go so cute together. But I just think this is adorable. It's also Ralph Lauren, so you know it's a good brand. And I think something like this with like a white button down over it is just, for summer, like it's perfect. So here's the thing. When I tried it on for the first time, it was a little big for me. Seems like just like at the bottom, like the previous owner just maybe stretched it out a little bit. Like it seemed like it was supposed to be kind of bodycon, like tight, but it just wasn't giving that. It was just a little bit too loose. So I think I'm just gonna take it in a little bit in the sides. I'll probably, just to give it a little bit more of a snatched bodycon look. Yeah, instead of just leaving this as is, I'm definitely gonna try to take it in. Maybe by the time this video is up, I'll have a before and after and you can actually see. Anyways, I do love this bright purple color for summer. I guess we can kind of stick with the yellow theme. This little yellow crochet tank top. And if you remember at the beginning of this video, I literally wrote down I'm looking for crochet, and I'm pretty sure I said colorful crochet. And the thrift gods answered my prayers with this piece. I have a vision for this, like layered on top of a white button down. I don't know exactly how that would go, but maybe like a white button down dress, and then this kind of just cinches it a little bit. I wish I knew how to crochet. I'm making stuff all the time. So next I found 2 scarves. I have to figure out how to wear them. Maybe I make them into a sarong, maybe I make them into a top. I'm not really sure. I'd like to wear them in my hair, but this one, for example, is just too long for that. But I just thought the material and the pattern and the colors was just too nice to pass up on it. So if you have any recommendations of what I can do with this, so let me know. Okay, I guess I can show the other scarf just while we're on this scarf train. It's this little number. This is a lot thicker than the other one. The other one was more of a silky, but this is definitely a thicker material. It's not see-through. Each side has a different color. Isn't it giving just Hockley dress by House of Sunny? That's what I immediately thought when I saw it. So yeah, I want to try to maybe turn this into a halter neck top of some sort. Oh god, no, my battery, no. Okay, hi, it's been a little bit, but I just went and charged my lovely camera, and now it's a little bit more charged up so I can proceed with the video. Oh, my coffee's cold. Anyways, let's move on with the haul. A little bit of a preface, this is the most random piece I probably have ever thrifted, but I kind of love it. But it's this, oh, it's a little bit wrinkly right now. I put it in the wash. It's this t-shirt that has all these random animals on it, and all the animals have a name. It's kind of amazing. We've got, like, let's see, Diva, we've got Princess, T-Dog, don't forget about T-Dog, we got Lucky, Lizzie, oh, and then my personal favorite, Debs. Like me when I'm literally Debs. Like whoever printed this t-shirt, I have no idea what this was even for. So random, there's like cats, there's deer. I just think it's funny. I don't know. I have nothing more really to say than it doesn't make any sense, but it fits well. This next piece, now that I've kind of had it for a little bit, I'm not sure if I love it. I like the idea of it. It's this striped sweater, and it's really soft, and I do like the stripes to it. My thing is though is that the red and the black is throwing me off in it. I don't know why. It wasn't a problem when I first saw it, but I guess maybe I've been staring at it for too long. I love the blue, I love the white, I love the yellow and the green. All the other colors are great. I just don't personally like wearing red that much, and I feel like the really harsh black lines are really throwing me off also. So I'm 50-50 if I'm gonna keep this or not. I have the tag still on. Next, this piece is gonna be so fun for summer. And like the yellow dress, this dress is also going to have to be tailored because I really just have to bring this one in and then of course hem it as well because it's a little long. And I just think it's gonna be so fun for summer. I want want to show you up close like the pattern. It's like green swirly checkered, which is kind of super in for like summer and stuff right now. And then the halter neck is very giving me 2000s vibes. I just think it's cool, and I love how it kind of ruches. It's something that's kind of outside my comfort zone, but I do think there's some potential with the pattern, and I do like green, and I like this kind of green. Okay, next up we have pants. So here's the thing. I'm on the lookout for like really baggy pants, particularly denim, but you know, I'm flexible. I would prefer kind of just low-waisted baggy denim, but I can't find that. Like, so this first pair were these low-waisted Levi's, and they're straight leg. They're kind of like a dark wash denim. Got the little, these are retro Levi's over here. They're the denim curve silhouette, straight leg. I do already have like some pairs that are kind of this fit, and they weren't as baggy as I wanted them to be. They're definitely more straight leg than baggy, but I did actually end up quite liking these. So I've never actually really found a good pair of vintage Levi's secondhand before, like thrifted them before. Then another pair of low-waisted kind of baggy pants that I got. These I actually found in the men's section, and they're Old Navy, but I tried them on. I thought they were too baggy at first. They ended up being, I think that's kind of the whole point, is that they are supposed to be super baggy, are these kind of corduroys. And I think they're really cool, honestly. I don't really have corduroys this color. They kind of ride like lower on your hips. I think they're just really dope if you have like a longer t-shirt or something, because that's kind of why I've been looking for lower waisted pants, is because if you have a longer t-shirt, then you have like a little bit of skin showing and it's not like overlapping. And I think this will be fun to style, so I'm kind of excited about that. Okay, and now I'm going to show you the things that I got that are 100% going to be exchanged, because well, one of them doesn't fit and the other one's just straight up whack. So we'll start with the ones that don't fit. I found another pair of low-waisted Levi's. They're these kind of black ones. Here you go. They just don't fit. Like straight up, they just didn't really fit me very well. I think I had a vision with this, and I think if executed properly, the vision could have been cool. But this shirt was just like the wrong fitting shirt. You guys are gonna laugh when you see this, because why on earth would I spend $5 on this? Like, okay, come on. Tell me, like, if this was a cute little baby tee, if I cropped it, like, it could be a vision, right? Well, I was wrong. The sleeves are, first of all, whack. Second of all, it, like, flows out. Yeah, as you can kind of see like this. The shirt just weirdly flows out, and it's such a weird cut and fit. I do not know what on earth I was thinking with this. That's pretty much everything I thrifted in this trip. That is everything that I got. I hope that you like this haul. I hope you enjoyed coming along thrifting with me. I'm gonna upload part 2 to this video very soon when I go return these items, and then film my thrifting adventures again and do another little haul for you. So that'll be coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please let me know what videos you want to see from me. But yeah, okay, thank you for watching. Bye.